I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what protein powder you should buy. First, let's explore the main types available. Whey protein is popular for muscle building, while casein offers a slower release. Plant-based options, like pea or rice protein, are excellent for vegans or those with dairy sensitivities. Your choice should align with your specific dietary needs and fitness objectives. Whey protein, particularly isolate or concentrate, is absorbed quickly, making it perfect for immediate post-exercise recovery. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids over several hours, which is great before bed. Plant-based proteins, such as soy, pea, or hemp, cater to various dietary preferences and offer complete amino acid profiles. When selecting, always check the nutrition label. Aim for a product offering 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Scrutinize the ingredient list for unnecessary additives, artificial sweeteners, or excessive sugars. Also, consider the taste and how well it mixes with liquids. A good experience encourages consistent use. Look for third-party certifications for quality assurance. Protein powder is a convenient way to boost your daily intake, supporting muscle growth, repair, and helping you feel fuller longer. It's incredibly versatile. Mix it into shakes, smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Choosing the right protein powder can significantly enhance your fitness journey and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.